In this YouTube channel, I review SaaS products in order for you to discover new software and to help builders improve their own SaaS, right? In today's video, we are going to discuss PicTiny.dev, which is a service tailored for YouTubers. It's written here, it's for YouTube only. And the value proposition is to get more views and more clicks on YouTube. So it's not TikTok, it's not Instagram, it's just YouTube. So, like, the dish is well identified. If you don't have a YouTube channel or you don't want to get on YouTube, may not be for you. And so the description is about thumbnails. So a weak thumbnail is the first reason great videos underperform. Upload yours, get an AI CTR prediction with exact fixes before you ever hit publish. That's a lot of text for a header, but yeah, I get it. It's about analyzing thumbnails and getting tips, right? So he has some strategy with free tools, so we can get a CTR audit, save zone simulator, okay, and smart compressor, okay. In here, we've got some example of a thumbnail and tips with a prediction of the click-through rate. So that's cool. So it analyzes contrast, mobile, collapse psychology, and the rule of thirds. Okay. Apparently, there are 61 creators who make use of PicTiny. Okay. Okay, so it just gives you tips on how to improve it. Here is the pricing, and I think we can get an audit for free. All right. So first, I'm going to sign in. I have a test account. So let's sign in. And I already sent my YouTube video, this one. And I think that the thumbnail is definitely not optimized. So I guess it can give me tons of different feedbacks on how to improve it. Okay, and so, okay, so it gives me a score of 57. So apparently I should improve visual contrast. Subject clarity is 5 out of 10. It's not great on mobile because there are maybe too much text, not enough contrast, no conflicts with YouTube timestamp overlay, okay. And text ratio, there is too much text apparently. And it gives me action. So like I should simplify the text to focus on key message. Like, yeah, indeed, there are tons and tons of text in here, like tons of those. Like it could fit for maybe an OGI image, but not for YouTube thumbnail. So I guess that's interesting. Use a more expressive face. Yeah, but like my face is in here. I don't want to make it bigger than that. But why not? Low contrast, use brighter colors and increase font size. Okay, that makes sense. And apparently I can I do it with the free tray? I don't know, but let's try fixing it. And there are, I can see different styles, size description, and so on. So let's see if it manages to help me improve my thumbnail. Takes a little bit of time. I guess that's the image generation thing that takes a while. Whoa. Okay, I guess this thumbnail would bring more clicks. Yeah, I guess it would bring more clicks definitely, but I'm not sure that it's my style. I guess like I could like if I were a power user of PicTiny, I should be able to set up my style, but like I would have preferred that upfront, like even in the onboarding, that it kept coherence with my style, with my website style that can be shown on the thumbnail. But from there, I could have like you could definitely ask for that, but yeah, that's just my honest feedback. You can try different styles even. I'm not exactly sure the style it picked up. But yeah, like there are less text. The thumbnail is still here. So I guess it worked. The thing I would advise the SaaS owner is to actually make it more about this tool, because like that's the real wow effect. The wow effect is not really about okay, let's analyze your CTR, blah blah blah. Yeah, like it's only a part of the process. Like it should be something like generate thumbnails that convert, or generate thumbnails that brings you tons of views, or more views, or like the current phrasing in the landing page. I think it should be more about creating thumbnails or reworking thumbnails, because that's where I had a small wow effect, even if it's not my style of thumbnails. But I had the wow effect. Um, I had the wow effect actually with the generation tool, and I use Gemini to generate thumbnails, but it's not optimized thumbnails. So I guess PicTiny should really be about maybe even like you paste your video, it analyzes the transcript, maybe it takes a few snapshots in the video, and it generates a nice image, because YouTube doesn't do it. Like YouTube doesn't spend money apparently to generate converting thumbnails. And I think PicTiny should really be about generating optimized thumbnails, and less only about the CTR analysis. It, I guess that it's still early, like it's not a well-established SaaS yet. It got released. There are tons of potential in this SaaS. I think there is a lot of potential. I like the name. Maybe about the domain name, I wouldn't have used .dev, because like it's not targeting developers really. It's more about YouTubers in general. Like every YouTuber could want such a thing. Um, so yeah, basically, I spend time generating thumbnails for my YouTube channel, and I wish this tool was focused, like even in the phrasing, in the marketing, in the copywriting. I wish this product was ready for me to already do that, to already take my existing style. Maybe it's my website, because I still want to keep my style, very, um, very retro of my website, but generating thumbnails that still work, that do not have too much text, that have good contrast, and so on. And I think this has tons and tons of potential, and it is already useful. There are even pro features that I didn't try yet. There is even the advanced AI editor I can see, but like maybe this product could actually fit my need as is. But at least there is some work on the marketing. There may be some work on the onboarding as well. Maybe the UI as well. Yeah, maybe a little bit work on the small UI stuff. But yeah, it's already a great product. I see the value. I, as a YouTuber, spend time generating thumbnails. Takes a lot of time. They are not optimized. I'm not making tons of views from YouTube, so it doesn't work very well yet. So basically, PicTiny answers a real problem. Now, d- I'd put more work, and I think we'll see it evolve over time. So I will probably re-review this product whenever it's going to mature. Yeah, so great product overall. Some things to improve, but yeah, it's a really great product. Could be very, very very useful. And I hope this will help the builder improve it. And I hope maybe you will find some use for it, and you will find it useful for your workflows. So that's it for this video. If you want your SaaS to be reviewed, take a look at the description below and in the comments, especially the first comment. And see you in the next one.